Hi, I'm Tracy Drake. This is a standing Qigong instruction video. And in this video, we're actually looking at two Qigong postures, two of the 8 brocades. Wise owl gazing back, and also swing your head, shake your tail. I always have to remember what that title is, but swing your head, shake your tail. So to begin with, let's find a standing posture for Qigong, some softness behind the knees, and thinking of stacking the big joints on top of one another. Standing tall, but with ease. Feeling nice and grounded on your 2 feet, and moving into wise owl gazes back, we simply turn the head and look over one shoulder, and then we come back through center, gaze over the opposite shoulder, and repeat that a few times. So just a nice gentle movement for the head and neck. Breathing is spontaneous. Notice any sensations in the neck, any stiffness or muscle tightness. Notice how this feels. Good. Once more, either side. Head comes back to center. Let's walk the feet out a little bit wider now. And we're going to lean forwards and place the hands on the thighs, and pushing in one hand into one thigh, we can create some resistance to be able to look behind us. So swinging your tail and finding a nice stretch through the whole back body. Maybe I really personally enjoy this movement. So swinging your head, wagging your tail. Breathing can be spontaneous, or maybe you want to exhale as you twist around. Inhale as you come back through center. Exhale as you move into the little bit of a twisted shape to your comfort level. I really like to push the hand into the thigh and feel that nice stretch through the whole body. But that may not work for you, and that's okay. You do you. You do as much as you feel you want to do today. But do something. And once more to either side. Good. Coming back to standing, walk your feet in. Find your basic standing Qigong shape, and letting the sensations settle, just observing how you feel. Take a couple of nice long breaths here. I hope you enjoyed that. Join me for the other videos, and then we'll start putting all these movements in a sequence together. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.